Hello everyone, this is your Papa Son vlog and welcome back to my channel. For today's video I will be cooking chicken cooked in coconut milk. Coconut milk is a healthy substitute for individuals that are lactose intolerant. It also contains zinc, a nutrient that helps boost your immune system and improve wound healing. This ginataang manok is a Filipino chicken dish flavored with ginger and coconut milk. Each family has their own version. This is my mother's. It's a rich dish that makes your kitchen smell so wonderful. Once my family smells the ginger frying and coconut milk simmering, they can't wait for it to be done so they can dig in. I salt it liberally, as the coconut milk tends to hide the salt flavor. Chicken cooked in coconut milk is one of my favorite easy-to-make coconut dish. It is not only easy to make but also very tasty. Ginataang manok is chicken sautéed in ginger, garlic and onion then stewed in coconut milk. It is almost like chicken curry without the curry. Heat cooking oil in a wide deep pan. Fry potatoes until lightly brown. Remove from the pan and set aside. Add chicken to the pan. Stir and cook for about 5 minutes. Season with fish sauce, salt and ground pepper. Stir, cover and simmer for 5 minutes. Add water and coconut milk. Simmer in medium-low heat while stirring every few minutes. Cook for about 15 minutes or until chicken is fully cooked and sauce to start thickens. Season with more fish sauce or salt if needed. Add fried carrots and potatoes. Stir and cook for 5 minutes or until they are fully cooked. Add fried bell peppers. Stir and cook for a few minutes. Actually, the story goes like this. I always have a list on what to cook pretty much every of the week, and Saturday is chicken curry for dinner. Everything is cut and all laid out that explain the carrots. I sautéed the garlic, onion, ginger and added the chicken. Then I realized I used up my last yellow curry a month ago. No stopping now, and I am not going to make a special grocery trip, so I end up making this simple ginataang manok. No regrets, as it turned out really good. Transfer in a serving dish, garnish with chopped green onions and serve hot with steamed rice. Enjoy, give it a try and let me know. Drop me a comment or a suggestion.